Add some personality to your room with custom removable decals. I'm going to show you how easy it can be to make custom removable stickers for your room. Stick around, the full tutorial is coming right up. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and I'm showing you how to use this versatile machine to design and create removable stickers to decorate your room. I'm adding a little space-themed fun to my daughter's door. She gets to help design and place the stickers, and I don't have to worry about ruining the finish when she wants to change her decor. To get started, you'll need your Cricut machine and some removable vinyl. Leave a comment and let me know which Cricut machine you are using, or which machine you're thinking about getting. Let's head over to Design Space and get started. I'm using text and graphics available with Cricut Access. I'm typing my daughter's name and adding a few pre-made space images. I measured the area and am sizing the pieces to fit the front panel of her door. It's helpful to color each item on the canvas to match the color of vinyl I'm using. This makes cutting multiple items an easy process. I'm ready to cut, so I choose my options and load a piece of vinyl onto a cutting mat. I've weeded out the excess vinyl and am now using transfer tape to move these stickers from the carrier sheets and get them ready to go on the door. If you are cutting large, basic shapes like the stars, you can do this step without transfer tape. I like to use the tape for words and any items with multiple pieces. It helps keep everything in place and transfers smoothly. I cleaned the door first, and now I'm using my scraper tool to press the letters onto the door, then peel back the transfer tape. This is removable vinyl and will hold up nicely until I'm ready to remove it. No residue left behind. A nice, clean way to add some character to my daughter's door. Custom removable stickers are just one way you can use Cricut to customize your home decor. Create a pattern for a focal wall in your home, or add your child's name above their bed. There are so many possibilities. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple, inspiring projects. I'm here every week with a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.